Hello everyone, and welcome to day number 31, adding and subtracting decimals. I just want to let you guys know that I miss you so much, and I miss everything. I miss all the arguments, all the behavior problems, Zaire walking in and out of the classroom. I just miss you guys so much, and just shout out to some of you guys who's doing such a great job submitting every assignment. Shane, Najere, Dazon, Zaire, just to name a few, Elizabeth, Kiana, Carlos. You guys are just so awesome. Also, I have Google Meets at least 3 times a week, and I have the same 2 or 3 kiddos coming, and I would love to see more of you. I miss you so much, guys, so please come to our hangouts and stop going to bed so late at night, okay? So let's get started. Okay, so adding and subtracting decimals. On your first page, you're given a few problems, and they're actually adding or subtracting decimals, and when you figure out your answer, you'll just go ahead and drag drop that solution. Just try to do it on paper and not use a calculator so you can get some practice, okay? So we will try, I'll try maybe, I don't know, about 1 or 2, and let's see how we do. All right, so the first one, what I want you to do is make sure that when you're adding, subtracting decimals, you have to line the decimals up, just like this. So now we have 3 plus 6 is 9. Bring down your decimal. 4 plus 6 is 10. Carry the 1. 4 plus 3 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. And bring down your 1. Now, if you notice here, if you look at this problem, let me just grab it real quick so I can demonstrate. It's the second problem here. If you notice, it's written horizontally. 108 and 6/10 plus 9 and 205 thousandths. Okay, you're still going to line the decimals exactly vertically and then put whatever numbers follow after it. So what happens here in this case, when you do that, you're leaving some empty spaces on top. So you'll go ahead and just put some zeros there and add as normal. So 0 plus 5 is 5, 0, 0, 0, 6 plus 2 is 8. Bring down your decimal. 8 plus 9 is 17. Carry the 1, 1, and then that would be your answer. All right. So the next problem, let's look at the next page. You have A, B, C, and D. And in each situation, you have 2 problems. You have Tyler and you have Baylor. You're going to add and subtract and then see, is that answer correct? And if it is correct, you will circle Tyler's name. And do the same for Baylor. Some cases, you'll have both people that have correct answers, so then you'll circle both names. And where there's only one answer, you'll circle one name. So let's just go ahead and see if Tyler's solution is 40 and 98 hundredths, okay? So we have Tyler, and you can see that I lined up my decimals, but I have an empty space above the 6, so I'll just put a 0. 0 plus 6 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3, 8 plus 8 is 16. Carry your 1, bring down your decimal. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Bring down your 2. Was that the right answer? Well, let me check for Tyler. Well, Tyler's answer is 40 and 98 hundredths. So that's not right, so I wouldn't circle it. I wonder how he got 40 and 98 hundredths. He did something wrong. Well, as you can probably guess, he didn't line up his decimals correctly. So what he did was he said 22.82 and he went 1.816. Do you see what he did wrong? And that's how he got the wrong answer. He didn't line up his decimals correctly. That is not the right way to add decimals. So let's go ahead with Baylor. And again, we don't have anything on top of the 6, so we'll put a 0 and we'll subtract. 0 take away 6. Well, 0 is too small. So I'll borrow from the 2, make it a 1, make that a 10. 10 take away 6 is 4. 1 take away 1 is 0. 8 take away 8 is 0. Bring down your decimal. 2 take away 1 is 1. Bring down your 2, and that's your answer. Okay? All right, let's look at the next page. The next page, it looks like we have some fruit. That's there. We have some cherries, apples, and some type of berries, right? Yummy. They're cherries, I think. Apples. Yep, they're bags of cherries. Yummy. I love fruit. Okay, so here in this case it says a customer purchases 2 bags of cherries. He pays with a $20 bill. If there is no tax, how much change will he receive? Well, he's buying 2 bags of cherries, and each bag costs $7.99, so I have to add 2 of those, right? Okay, so $7.99 plus $7.99. How much is that going to cost me? Well, 9 plus 9 is 18. Carry the 1. 9 plus 9 is 18. Plus 1 is 9. 19. Carry the 1. 7 plus 7 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. So it's going to cost me $15.98. I'm going to give them a $20 bill. How much change am I going to get? Well, here's my $20 bill. Subtract. We are subtracting $15.98. Now, you know that there's an invisible decimal at the end of every number. So let's put our decimal here, and we'll put 2 zeros, and then we'll subtract. 0 take away 8? Nope. 0 take away 9? Nope. 0 take away 5? Nope. So I'll have to borrow from the 2, make it a 1, make this a 10, but I still have to continue borrowing so I can start subtracting, right? So cross out my 10, make it a 9. Make this a 10, cross out my 10, make it a 9. Make this a 10. 10 take away 8 is 2. 9 take away 9 is 0. 9, and bring down your decimal. 9 take away 5 is 4. And 1 take away 1 is 0. So my change will be $4.02. Okay? All right, so let's look at the last page. And on the last page, we have a problem here that says Emily's bank account balance is $350.86. Find the new account balance after she deposits her $186.24 paycheck. We know that when you deposit money into a bank, you are increasing the amount of money that you have in your bank account. So we will go ahead and add. So we have $350.86 plus $186.24. My decimals are lined up correctly. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry the 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Carry the 1. Bring down my decimal. 6 plus 0 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. 5 plus 8 is 13. Carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. So my bank account would now be $537.10. So go ahead and, with your money, buy some fruit, buy some grapes, or buy some cherries, and enjoy yourselves. And I will see you tomorrow in day number 32. Bye-bye.